Digital transformation is now one of the most overused cliched terms in the tech industry. So what does it actually mean? For us, digital transformation is finally delivering on the promise of these decades of technology that allows our clients to have scalable, secure, cloud-native solutions that they can grow with, control, scale up, scale down for decades into the future.
Traditionally, a consulting firm stops once they've answered some of those business processes. Also, traditionally, a software or a technology provider starts when someone's figured all that out. One of the advantages of SMX Elevate is the ability for customers to focus on what their real core mission is.
This is why adopting technology in a more efficient manner is critical. What is different about SMX is that we inject automation everywhere, coupled with security and compliance. At SMX, we offer a unique delivery model that frees up your existing staff to focus more on value creation.
It's our unique services, it's our approach to delivering those services, and it's the wealth of IP that we built over time that help automate these capabilities and deliver value for our customers.
Many of our clients are operating not just at business speed, but at mission speed. Seconds matter.
We think that they really want outcomes. We think the procurement should be outcome-based models that are supporting that.
No longer do they have to be consumed every single day with day-to-day operations, with firefighting, with worrying about, is this going to happen, is that going to happen? They're able to do it in a way that is secure, that meets their customers where they're at, wherever they're at in the world.
We've developed these capabilities at scale in the most demanding security and regulatory compliance environments.
SMX Elevate empowers our clients to focus on what's most important, their mission success, rather than on IT challenges, labor shortages, and supply chain disruption. We are in the business of helping our clients do more for their missions and succeed faster and more reliably.